Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to use Bubble Buster Spray. First, always prepare your workspace by ensuring the surface is completely clean and dry. A clean surface is crucial for optimal adhesion and a smooth finish. Next, gently shake the Bubble Buster Spray bottle for about 10 seconds to ensure the solution is well mixed. Remember to wear appropriate safety gear, such as gloves and eye protection, to protect yourself. Now, let's talk about applying the spray effectively. Hold the nozzle approximately 6 to 8 inches away from your project surface. This distance helps achieve an even distribution. Apply a light, uniform mist over the entire area where bubbles are a concern. It's important to avoid oversaturating the surface. A thin, even coat is far more effective than a heavy one. With the fog light assembly exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. First, twist the old fog light bulb counterclockwise about 1/4 turn to unlock it. Then, carefully disconnect the electrical connector by pressing the small tab and pulling it straight off. Now, take your new H11 bulb, connect the electrical connector, and insert it into the housing. Twist it clockwise until it locks securely into place. To achieve a truly flawless finish, allow the treated surface to dry completely. This usually takes several hours, depending on humidity and product type. After each use, clean your spray nozzle thoroughly to prevent any clogging, ensuring it's ready for your next project. Finally, store your Bubble Buster Spray in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight to maintain its effectiveness for future applications.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.